So the reason why I chose automotive industry or the collision repair to go into was my father and we actually started working on this 1968 Volkswagen Beetle. This did start as a hobby for me, and now I have looked into the future and this would be super cool to actually get out and do.
I started teaching in 2006. The thing I love most about teaching is seeing the light bulb go off in a kid when they take a project and then they get it. You keep working with them, and then finally that light bulb clicks and they understand how that metal's supposed to move, and just the joy in their eyes as they figure out the problem.
Honestly, and the instructors at OTC are just amazing. I don't think I could have any instructors as well as they have given me the education that I've wanted and that I will need in the future. So they're very attentive to us and to what we need to know and our future knowledge, like how this will go into the workforce with us.
I'd say what's unique about OTC is when we ask for a new piece of equipment because we need to train the kids on the newest equipment, the school provides that for us. We have no trouble getting to buy equipment, supplies, things that we need to teach the kids for the future.
So with the equipment that is at OTC's programs, they are more advanced in my opinion than I would have ever thought of. I thought it was just put on some putty, fill a dent, and then take it to the paint side. Like, no, it's a lot more than that.
So if you like to work with your hands and make something that's broken and fix it and where it's not broke anymore, this is the place for you. If you like to use computers, use technology to fix things, this is the place for you.
And honestly, it brings pride in myself. Like, okay, I started with hardly anything of a vehicle and now it's just beautiful.